Okay, so Thursday morning, first day of the daily vlog, which we're going to be bringing to you every single day, 2-3 times a day, just telling you what we're up to and what we're getting up to. So as you can see here, we've got a Rapido which has just come back. Now we're getting that all cleaned up, ready to sell. We've got an Auto Trail, Auto Cruiser Alta there, ready to, all being cleaned up at the moment, and that can go on. And now I am going to spend today in this Auto Sleeper Wiltshire, really nice van with the fixed bed and the end washroom. So this is all checked off, ready to go out, and I'm going to get this all checked so I know what I'm doing for when the customer comes. So I'm just moving over to the compound side. We've got a Navigator here getting ready for sale. We're also getting an Auto Cruise over here as well. We've just had a Luna in, and we're just going to get this Volkswagen here up for sale. So I've got my Auto Sleeper Wiltshire all set up. Everything's going good on that. Ready for my handover tomorrow. Just want to show you a couple of vans we've had in. Stunning 2021 Pelotti there. Really nice van. And also a 2020 Rapido. I will at some point get to show you inside that van. We have done a video on it. That's a really nice van. And also a 2020 Aldis there as well. But we've just taken this Volkswagen in as part exchange here. It's a 2018. It's got the awning. It's been properly done. It's only done 15,000 miles. Have a look. We've got the rock and roll bed, hobs, sink as well. And then what I really like is if you just have a look there, we've got the compressor fridge in. So really nice camper van. This will be coming at a good price, and we'll get this videoed all up for you. So don't motorhomes look nice at night when they've got all the lights on? So here's my Wiltshire. I've been checking off now. I've had everything running all day. Just checked my water that I've had on. Ooh, that's nice and warm. I've also had the fridge on as well. Yes, that's nice. So there's my Wiltshire all checked off. Obviously it's been checked. I've just pre-checked it now. And at the same time, I've had the Auto Cruise. Just going to show you around the Auto Cruise. Again, big van as well. We'll just go into that. Just check my water. Yes, that's okay. And then if you can see at the back, it's got the fixed single beds. And then as well, we've got the separate shower and toilet. So again, another nice van. Both vans are happy, so I can get these vans out. Okay, Friday morning. It's a cold one today. So let's have a look what we're up to this morning. So, Auto Sleeper Wiltshire's going out this morning, just setting that up, ready for the customer to pick up. Now, because it's a cold day, if you're not using your motorhome or your caravan, get those water heaters drained down. Easiest way to find your water heaters. There's the flue for your water heater, so let's go inside. So we found where the flue was. Let's go inside the van. There you go. There's your water heater. Now that's always going to be full if you've not drained it down. So we need to get rid of expansion in case of frost. By your water heater, there is always a drain off. There's the one on this one. I'll turn that. That dumps the water out the van. So always make sure you drain down your water heater if you're not going to use the van, especially in this weather. So if you're watching yesterday, we just had this Auto Cruise in. It was just getting cleaned out. Let's have a look inside now. It's ready to go on sale. So as you can see, it's got the dinette with the 2 belted seats. It's on the Peugeot Boxer. Centre kitchen with 3 burner hob, grill, oven. Just show you inside the combined shower and toilet. And then at the back of the van, what I really like is we've got the fixed bed. And then just look at that there. That's really nice storage. Now here's another van ready to go on sale. Motorhome High-Low. One of my favourites, the Motorhomes are. So quick look inside the Duo. We've got the pop top. We can make a dinette just over there. Also 2 single beds that make into a double. And then what we've also got is a 2 burner hob grill, 3-way fridge. And then we do have the sink. It is only cold. But I really like these vans, the Motorhomes. So just when I thought Friday was done, time to go home, start the weekend because I'm not working the weekend. I've just had a van in that I've been after in a while. Not particularly this van, but a van that I wanted to basically do up, right age, right mileage. This one's only got one owner. And I wanted to do a van up and pimp a van up. And here it is. And here we have it. It's a now Suntai It's a 2009, one owner, full service history, nice colour, it's not white, a few scratches on it, and then at the front it's probably going to want spraying up as well. Let's just show you inside. Compact van, we've got the sink there with the hob, the dinette there, and then let's just have a look here. We've got the bathroom, which we're going to do something with the bathroom, and we've got the transverse bed there. So I'm thinking of swapping the lights over, obviously getting a bit of solar onto it as well, and then doing something with the bathroom, either take it into a different colour, or even PVC in the walls, I don't know yet. And then on the outside, you probably won't see, there's a few scuff marks on there. I am thinking of probably big wheels on it as well. I don't know if I mentioned, probably put a solar on it as well, get it all tea-cutted up, and see what we can do with this motorhome and give it a new look. So when we're selling these motorhomes and campervans, we get all different types of motorhomes and campervans in. And let me just share with you something that we've just had in. And look at that, we've had a little wild axe in with its own little trailer. And it's that small, I can fit the van all on one screen. Let's have a look inside. So look at this little camper here we've got now. We've got a little bit of storage at the back. We've got the compressor fridge. We've got the sink. And we've even got a 2-burner hob as well. And then I'm assuming this will all make up here into a bed. So what we'll do, we'll get that off to the garage now, and then get it checked off. And then what we'll do is I think we'll do a video and have another look at it a little bit later on. So what have I been doing today? Swift Escape at 674. Let's have a look inside. So I've been just pre-checking this van off because it's going out at the weekend. As you can see, we've got the front lounge area, nice spacious lounge. Let's just pan around to the back now. Lovely U-shaped lounge, loving the lockers, really nice looking modern van. I'll just show you inside the washroom. It's a combined shower and toilet area. And then moving on there, we've got the centre kitchen. As you can see, we've got the microwave, 3-burner hob. And then let me just check my water. Oh yeah, that's nice and warm. And then also I've just had the fridge on as well. Let's just move in the fridge. That's been on the electric. Oh, that's getting nice. So just spending the day just checking this over, just make sure it's going out right for the customer. So it's Friday today. I'm quite pleased with myself. I'm pretty much on the ball with everything. So today what I tend to do is I like to price check on a Friday, check all the vans and just have a look, see how the market's doing on prices and what availability is about. So one job I will do today, this is all checked off, it's an ultra trail here. So what I'll do, I've got to put a gas test on it just to check. It has been gas tested, but I do just like to give it a once over. And that's all ready to go. And I think it's next week that one's going out. My Swift Escape I spent yesterday just running it all up, so I'm quite happy with that. So I've got that ready to go out tomorrow actually. He's a Volkswagen we took in part exchange 2018. It's under 15,000 miles, so we've got somebody who's reserved this to come and have a look at it today. And the Polotta here, this one sold this week. It's been to the garage now, had all the mechanical side done on it. So what we will do then, Monday, we'll start the pre-checks off on this one. I've got an hour in bed, this is a nice one. Get the pre-checks done, and there's a couple of jobs the customers requested for us to do, such as putting sockets in and things.